In this video, we will show the best bubble machines available to buy. At number 8. Zest For Toys Bubble Maker Fan. It is the perfect for kids over 3 years old. Simply add drops of bubble solution in front of the bubble machine fan. It is made of non-toxic and superior ABS plastic. At number 7. Hobnot Transparent Bubble Gun. The uniquely transparent body shows off all of the gizmos and gadgets are hidden beneath the surface. It is high-quality, BPA-free plastic that is safe for kids and safe for the environment. At number 6. WEBBY Automatic Bubble Making Machine Toy. It is super easy to use. Simply install the batteries into the grip and you're ready to go. Pull and hold the trigger and watch it light up and shoot dozens of bubbles. At number 5. Powerpak Bubble Machine. Have bubble blasting fun with the Bubble Blaster. Great for use in or out of the tub. It ice camera featured bubble maker. At number 4. Zest For Toys Bubble Liquid. This is the latest offering from brand Zest For Toys Bubble Gun Refill Liquid. Good quality bubbles are formed when this bubble liquid is used properly in our endeavor. At number 3. Comdaq Extreme Bubble Blaster. The motorized bubble blower makes it easy for even young children to create streams of colorful bubbles. Pull the trigger for thousands of bubbles. At number 2. Something4u Bubble Gun. This bubbling liquid is used properly in our endeavor to provide the products to our esteemed reach as possible. We periodically make product modifications. At number 1. Temson Bubble Gun. It is formulated to produce the most dazzling, eye-catching, and enormous bubbles. Fire a barrage of bubbles. No need to refill.